Couple of months ago, my transfer case exploded because of a failed U-joint. This is the result of it. This is how a new one looks like, and that's the one we're gonna put in the truck now. I'm gonna put some that in for protection, and we're gonna go for it. I'm still down here. Watch this. So I took this part out so I could go with this up like that, push with my hands sideways, and then I put it in there. Now I am going to support that somehow, and I'm gonna try to flip this here this way, which is the way it's supposed to be, and see if we can go from there. But I think the main thing for me is going to be support that there with something that can spin when I move. Wow, this is a nightmare. Check this out. This is a drive shaft. It's a little bigger than the BMW. Just a little bit. Yes! Transfer case is in. There is a front drive shaft that goes from here to there. It is inside. I don't want to put it yet because I need to fix that plug right there. This is what was left from the connector. I got a problem with those guys here because I got a connector, but they sent me these wrong ones. I have all the ones from the car here and they seem to be good, so I'm gonna get them, figure this out where everything goes, fix those here, see if I can reuse it if they're not cut, and I'm gonna try to make it for tomorrow. And that's my last piece of the puzzle. Everything else is fixed, everything else is ready. Oh no, I'm lying. Still gotta bleed the brakes. Finally, after months and months, we got it done. Yeah, it wasn't cheap. That thing was $2,000, which is in the car. The motor, it was I think 130 or 190. The connector is like 50 bucks plus $12. And then fixing all the wire, 20 bucks on the junkyard. What else? I'm forgetting something. A few bolts and nuts, probably $20-30. The axle, the front axle itself, which is this one, it's under the Supra. That cost me, I want to say $160, but I'll look properly and put it here for you guys. So I guess total it got pretty close to $3,000, and I believe that if you take to a mechanic, they would charge you over $5 grand. And I mean, honestly, it was hard. So it's a very well deserved $5,000, you know. But I saved $3 grand, $2.5, $2 grand, I don't know. Okay, next day is here, and I got the parts, energy drink, and let's get it. And there you go, it's all done. I'm gonna put a wire looming here, and we need to be sure. So this comes with this here. I took it out, and see that little one side that's a little different. I need to be sure that that side was matching. This was in the car because it was on the 2x4, and this is on the 2x4, so I know it's gonna match. And now we go and put in the transfer case. And to fill up with tight spots and weird angles like this one, there's this little thing here, and you can move around. And the best thing is it screws on your bottle. And look at that. You put it in there and you squeeze, give a little squeeze, and it doesn't come off. It doesn't leak. And now we're gonna close it. It's a 10mm hex. It's between 15 and 20 foot-pounds. So let's see what happens. There you go. Beautiful thing is alive. And that's it, guys. The status for now is the truck starts, but do not drive because it doesn't engage the gear, and also we have the ABS light on. I bought a little thing here. This is going to auto bleed the brakes. I'm gonna show in another video, and hopefully we don't have a problem with the torque converter, because I'm not gonna take all that out again. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. And